Okurra emishango egi kwaba kwebembirwa Honorable Kristo Kabajwara orukurra ekitongore kya Tax Appeals Tribunal kandi ogu nashoborera ekigendererwa ky'ekitongore eki.
If you are a taxpayer outside there, you're carrying out a business, you are employing people, and you receive an assessment from the URA saying you have not paid your taxes correctly, and if you do not agree with that assessment, you come to the Tax Appeals Tribunal after you have followed certain procedures, and we help you to resolve the dispute or the disagreement.
Tuba dele court tutudde nga tulina emisango gye tuwulira naye mulimu omuntu agambye nti bane nze no income gye baŋŋamba ku tiini yange sigirabangako nga kirabika walinganga waliwo omuntu akozesa tiini ye mwegendereza temugaba tiini zammwe. Kakati tugenda okuwulira omusango ogwo tuyise ofiisa ba URA lwe tunaabeera wano omulundi oguddako mu May.
Kooti egi yayejumbamu empamushoro abatiireyo kwetombita kwabo hamwe n'abamemba ba tribunal kandi emishango mushanju niyo yahurirwa.
In full and final settlement of tax application number 079 The registrar is hereby directed to endorse a consent
settlement order from Tax Appeals Tribunal, but waiting for the registrar to sign.
We came to handle and hear some cases between that have been brought to us by taxpayers in the business community against the URA. We handled 7 matters, and many of those matters that we handled, we have been able to resolve them today, which shows that coming to Tax Appeals Tribunal works, and we are here to help you.
Bwanyuma ya kooti kushutama twaganiireho n'abakurokorwa mu kitongore eki nibateerera empamushoro omuranga okuguma nibabiika ebihandiiko byabo gye okubaasa kubaweera habaho obuzibu.
Wano omanya ng'oli omushuubuzi kandi oyine tin number ninga oyine ni tin actually or registered na Uganda Revenue Authority obiike ebihandiiko byabo.
Kitwaterenda kubashaba waba oyine empamushoro ninga olikwenda kukora business oyije aha Tax Appeals Tribunal twebuzaho hahine ekikushorire.
Bateerera omuranga empaho nk'abantu abayiba omushoro abajya okwempaho okugira ngu omuntu aragira eshonga nkezo mpoho ayejunise obuheereza bwa Tax Appeals Tribunal.
Gashakwa na Good Fatima.